basins. Well, we're actually finding that many of the operators are still using older technology based on oil-based drilling fluids. NEWPARK developed the Evolution series of high-performance water-based fluids, actually stemming from the Haynesville work, and now it's being used all over the North America shale basins with much success. As referenced by the Q1 conference call, the quarter-on-quarter advancement of the Evolution is 34% in terms of revenue. So we're very excited about the high-performance water-based fluids. Ultra-deep water, it's a very fine line between the pore pressure and fracture gradient, so those drilling windows are very narrow, which presents all sorts of challenges for drilling fluids. Also, the thermal gradient from the seabed to the formation can be quite a challenge for drilling fluids. And so, again, the water-based technology can offer some advantages in that area in terms of its thermal properties and also the lack of compressibility. It allows us to manage that pressure just a little bit finer to a greater degree of fidelity. Now, that being said, in the Gulf of Mexico, primarily synthetic-based fluids are being used, and we also perform those services with the synthetic fluids. The Evolution series, the high-performance water-based fluids, already in the field has been taken close to 400 degrees, and in the lab we've taken it up to 475. So we're very excited about the future, and there's R&D work surrounding the evolution of the Evolution product line. Well, it's had a significant effect, and once again, the high-performance water-based technology not only allows us to have lower coefficients of lubricity, which means we can drill further in the horizontal sections. There's a lot of stability in the longer open hole sections, and so the Evolution series is really advancing through the shale plays in North America with the longer horizontal sections. Well, it's huge, and it's emerging. And the water-based fluid technology, one thing we haven't talked about is the environmental benefits. For 60 years, the industry's been drilling with oil-based mud, then in some areas transitioning to synthetics. Well, now a high-performing water-based solution that is also environmentally friendly has profound effects both on the environment but also on the risk profile for the operators. The oil-based mud has been a solution, as I said, that's been in the industry for 60 years. And the synthetic-based fluid was introduced to address some of these environmental concerns, but it's still synthetic-based oil-based fluid. The water-based technology clearly is the final answer to that solution, offering the environmental benefits. I can't be specific, but the new technology center in Katy, Texas, that NEWPARK Drilling Fluids opened only last October, has world-class laboratories and capabilities. And so there are numerous projects ongoing, and the continuing evolution of the Evolution product line, but also meeting specific customer requirements. They'll send us core samples, and we'll see how those core samples interact with new formulations, so we can tailor-make a drilling program exactly for the specific requirement. Very excited about the opportunity at NEWPARK, both onshore and offshore. Onshore, we're continuing to develop and promote the newer technology. The organization is fully embracing the technology, and the client base is too. And so each month we hear new examples of utilizing the technology in new formations with great success. And the other piece is we're studying the needs of deep water and what NEWPARK's role would be in an increased market share position in new water. So we're in the middle of a very detailed study to examine that.